It's holiday time again. Like one more drink of water, force-fed to a drowning man. She'll gladly fill the glass to the brim. When the fever gets this high, water freezes to the touch, drenching down the ruin of the night. Like a crack in the world, a reservoir lets go. There's a fine line between wrong and right. I cannot follow all these winding, broken paths of regret. It just flushes me right down the drain so fast. Because the shores of my own dreams are all littered with debris, washed up from the wreckage of my past. The stifled snores of souls asleep in their lives is the sound of emotions on the run. No expectations of success when failure is the choice. Transgressions ignored one by one. Takes the time for false apologies. Denial is an easier way out, but scores are only promises whispered to the dark, debits to an overdrawn account. All this talk of release, but the change never comes. Still waiting for signs from above. A shifting of regrets, it always takes its toll. Offerings at the altar of love. next day, and you wonder, will she ever want you that way? What seems so real in the night, you think it could have been a sign, and you wonder, right or wrong, is it really only in your mind? Only a dream, you remember the next day, and you wonder, will she ever want you that way? Oh, the fear of rejection can be strong as the need to possess. Dreams can bring to the surface a passion you need to confess, but it's only a dream. You remember the next day, and you wonder, will she ever want you that way? You can't touch it, but you feel it. The heart must believe it's true. Hidden somewhere there's a feeling taking hold of you. Will she ever